Hi, I'm going to show you how you can create and apply your own color swatches to any number of PowerPoint shapes like charts and infographics and text boxes using the SmartColors functionality in Engage. So first you want to make sure the Engage tab is selected. And the first thing we're going to do under color swatches, we're going to go ahead and select a different color swatch. We're going to select the fun color swatch. So when we do this, you'll notice that all the shapes in this presentation that have been linked to the SmartColors have automatically updated with this new color swatch. So to link a shape to the color swatch, what we can do is we can select the shape. So in this case, we're going to select this pie chart and we're going to go to shape fill, and we're just going to select any one of these colors to link that shape. To unlink it, there's an option here called unlink shape fill. So we're going to go ahead and select this to link it, and you can see that it automatically applies that color swatch. To create your own color swatch, what you can do is you can click on color swatches, and down here, my swatches, you can go ahead and create a name for this color swatch. We're going to call this C1, and we're going to go ahead and select a different color, and we're going to just select any number of colors here. You can also select an eyedropper tool if you want, so you can do that if that helps. You can also enter the different RGB values for the color. So if you have an RGB value already in mind, you can go ahead and add that color. So once you have the color swatch created, you can then select this, click on this create swatch button, and this will apply that swatch that you've just created, and it'll propagate those colors for your swatch throughout the presentation for any shape that you've already linked up using the SmartColor functionality. And this is how you access SmartColors and Engage. Thank you.